Space. It's huge. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
The quest to rescue a friend leads to new allies.
General Alistair Azimuth. You, dear boy, look just like your father.
And a sinisterly secret plot.
So what is it this time, Nefarious?
Part of me wants to let you live long enough to find out. The other part really wants to kill you.
Well, at least we know what he went with.
Now, time is running out.
This clock. You think Clank's in there?
Danger is everywhere. And the universe needs a hero.
Not it!
PlayStation